Here we have a 1999 Caravelle Interceptor 232. This boat is located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. Does come with the trailer. That includes a spare tire. This is a tandem axle trailer. This boat does have a Mercruiser. Nice rear swim platform with your ladder. Nice grab handle right here for getting back in. Got your ski tow right there. Very large sun pad on the back here. All right, let's hop on inside and take a look at the interior. All right, stepping inside the 1999 Caravelle Interceptor 232. See again the sun pad on the back here. You'd have a nice large rear bench here with storage underneath. You have your dual captain's chairs. Both of these have the flip-up bolsters. Your stereo head unit over here. Very large bow seating area. We got your filler cushions already in there. Nice large ski locker. Like I said, you have some storage under here as well. And then here's your 350 mag Mercruiser. This boat also does come with a Bimini top. All right, that is it for the 99 Caravelle Interceptor 232, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.